Have you ever wondered what it takes to thrive in the ever-shifting landscape of online entrepreneurship? In a digital world brimming with opportunities, the path to success isn't always clear. But fear not, because we are about to uncover the top skills that hold the key to unlocking your online potential. From digital marketing wizardry to the mesmerizing realm of video production, each skill opens the door to untold possibilities. Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery and mastery? Let's dive in and unveil the secrets of making money online in 2024 and beyond. Digital marketing. Now let's talk about how to start digital marketing in 2024. Learn the basics of digital marketing, including its various channels such as SEO, PPC, content marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behavior to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. Develop a digital marketing strategy outlining your goals, target audience, channels, messaging, and tactics. Optimize your website and content for search engines to improve visibility and organic traffic. Set up and manage PPC campaigns and platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads to drive targeted traffic and conversions. Create valuable and relevant content to attract and retain your audience, establish authority, and drive conversions. Build an email list and send personalized and targeted emails to nurture leads and convert them into customers. Develop a strong presence on social media platforms, engage with your audience, and share valuable content to build relationships and drive traffic. Monitor key performance metrics using analytics tools. Identify areas for improvement and continuously optimize your digital marketing efforts. Content creation. Determine the purpose of your content, whether it's to educate, entertain, inspire, or persuade your audience. Research your target audience, industry trends, and competitors to identify topics and formats that resonate with your audience. Develop a content strategy outlining your goals, target audience, content calendar, distribution channels, and promotion tactics. Produce engaging and valuable content in various formats such as articles, blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. Incorporate relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and structure your content for search engines to improve visibility and organic traffic. Share your content across different channels including social media, email, forums, and communities to reach a wider audience. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback from your audience to foster engagement and build relationships. Track key performance metrics such as traffic, engagement, conversions, and ROI to evaluate the effectiveness of your content strategy. Use data-driven insights to refine your content strategy, experiment with new formats and topics. Continuously improve your content to better meet the needs of your audience. Social media management. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience is most active and focus your efforts on those channels. Define specific goals for your social media strategy, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Create a content calendar outlining the types of content you will post, the frequency of posts, and the themes or topics you will cover. Produce visually appealing and compelling content that resonates with your audience, including images, videos, infographics, and polls. Use social media management tools to schedule and automate your posts, ensuring consistent and timely delivery of content. Monitor your social media channels for mentions, comments, and messages, and respond promptly to engage with your audience and address their inquiries or concerns. Use social media analytics tools to track key metrics such as reach, engagement, impressions, clicks, and conversions to measure the effectiveness of your social media efforts. Based on your performance data, refine your social media strategy, experiment with different types of content and posting times, and optimize your approach to achieve better results. Graphics design. Start by understanding the fundamental principles of design, including typography, color theory, layout, composition, and visual hierarchy. Familiarize yourself with popular graphic design softwares such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, as well as other tools like Canva and Sketch. Practice using design tools to create various types of visual content, including logos, banners, infographics, and social media graphics, including website mockups. Stay updated with current design trends and best practices by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and analyzing successful design examples. Showcase your design skills and projects in a portfolio website or online portfolio platform to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients. Connect with other designer freelancers and potential clients through online communities, social media, and networking events to expand your professional network. Communicate effectively with clients, understand their requirements, and deliver high-quality designs on time while providing exceptional customer service to build long-term relationships. E-commerce management. Identify a niche market or product category based on market research, competition analysis, and your own interest and expertise. Select an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, and build and customize your online store to showcase your products and facilitate transactions. Create compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and clear pricing information to effectively showcase your products and entice customers to make a purchase. Develop a marketing plan incorporating various tactics such as SEO, content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and affiliate marketing to drive traffic and sales to your online store. Set up efficient inventory management systems to track stock levels, manage orders, and fulfill customer orders promptly. Or responsive for customer support. Address inquiries and concerns promptly, and provide a seamless buying experience to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Analyze performance metrics. Monitor key performance indicators such as sales, conversion rates, average order value, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value to evaluate the effectiveness of your e-commerce strategies and identify areas for improvement. Search engine optimization. Learn the basic principles of search engine optimization, including keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, technical SEO, and local SEO. Identify relevant keywords and search terms related to your website or content using keyword research tools such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. Optimize your website's on-page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, headings, URLs, and content to improve visibility and relevance of target audience. Earn high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites and relevant sources through guest blogging, content partnerships, influencer outreach, and social media promotion to boost your website's authority and rankings. Optimize your website's speed, mobile responsiveness, and user experience to enhance usability and meet Google's core Web Vitals standards for better search rankings. Identify and address technical issues such as broken links, crawl errors, duplicate content, and site structure issues that may negatively impact your website's SEO performance. Data analysis. Clearly define the goals and objectives of your data analysis project, whether it's to gain insights, solve a specific problem, or make data-driven decisions. Gather relevant data from various sources including databases, spreadsheets, web analytics tools, customer surveys, and third-party APIs to analyze and derive insights. Cleanse and pre-process the data by removing duplicates, missing values, outliers, and transforming or formatting the data into a structured format suitable for analysis. Select appropriate analytical methods and techniques such as descriptive analytics, exploratory data analysis, statistical analysis, data mining, machine learning, or predictive modeling based on your objectives and data characteristics. Analyze the data using relevant tools and softwares such as Excel, Python, Tableau, or Power BI to uncover patterns, trends, correlations, and insights that address your research questions or business objectives. Affiliate marketing. Select a niche or industry that aligns with your interest, expertise, and target audience to focus your affiliate marketing efforts effectively. Identify affiliate programs and networks relevant to your chosen niche and research their commission structures, payment terms, cookie durations, and promotional services. Choose high quality products or services to promote as an affiliate, considering factors such as relevance, demand, quality, and commission rates to maximize earning potential. Establish a platform to promote affiliate products or services, such as a blog, website, YouTube channel, social media profiles, email newsletter, or podcasts to attract and engage your audience. Produce informative and engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience, and seamlessly integrates affiliate links or banners with your content. Implement various traffic generation strategies such as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to drive targeted audience to your affiliate offers. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of the top skills for online success in 2024, one question remains. Are you ready to seize your slice of the digital pie? With each skill we have uncovered, the path to prosperity becomes clearer. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are beyond measure. Are you prepared to write your own success story and claim your stack in the digital domain? The choice is yours. Dare to dream, dare to achieve, and let your journey to online prosperity begin.